to do for seasonal allergies when the things that we've been doing doesn't really seem to be making it any better? Have I got an unbelievable technique that you will want to know about? Stay tuned. Hello everyone. I am Tressey and I talk about all things digestion, fat loss, and wellness. Welcome. Guess what? It is that time of the year where the weather begs us, please come outside, enjoy me, be in me, let's just have fun. Summertime. Being outdoors is great. It feels great to have the sun on our skin, the fresh air, to hear the birds chirping. But for some of us, being outside in all of the wonder is unpleasant. So unpleasant for so many of us. Why is all of this unpleasantness happening? Well, according to a recent survey, most Americans, 54% actually, they say, suffer from allergies. Furthermore, the study revealed that allergies are the 6th leading cause of illnesses in the U.S. So what can we do when we have seasonal allergies and they don't seem to be getting better despite all of our best efforts? Personally, I suffered with severe allergies for well over 10 years. I underwent surgery to fix it. It did not work. Whew. Finally, I found relief by implementing the things that I talked about in my quick allergy tip relief video, as well as best tips for seasonal allergies. I incorporated all of those things and my allergies got better. I was able to breathe clearly. Can you hear that? Can you actually enjoy outside? Because summertime, if you didn't know, is my favorite season of all. It was like, for so many years, it was horrible. Oh, absolutely horrible. It sounded horrible and I felt horrible. All of those things that I've discussed in those previous videos were impactful. They were helpful. They required time to allow my immune system to get strong enough to be able to combat and fight itself off from all of the allergens that were coming in. I'm not always the most patient person, especially when I've been dealing with something for so long. I just want it over and done with. You know, I'm that matter-of-fact kind of person. Just go in and get it done. And that's what I wanted. Surgery was supposed to do that for me. It did not. I needed relief. That relief came in this one simple technique that I am going to show you. You are going to love this technique. We are going to power wash our nasal passages. You heard me right. We are going to wash our allergies away. Time for you to follow me to the loo, and I will show you 2 ways to do that. The first method would be with what is called a neti pot. The porcelain kind is the most recommended kind. It's more sterile. In the neti pot, you will take either warm or boiled tap water. Make sure it's cool and it's room temperature, your water. Add it to your neti pot with 1/4 teaspoon. There's a measuring cup inside of here of the neti sea salt. And then repeat in the other nostril. The second method, which by far, in my opinion, is the most thorough for cleansing the nasal passages, is the nasal irrigation system. That's right here. I like this because it has levels that allows you to adjust the flow, how gentle or forcefully the water will come out. You take your salt solution, you add it in here with your warm water. I usually add my water up to about 15. This is enough water for me to irrigate both of my nostrils. Let me show you the force with which this can come out. Some water in here. And then this goes on here. This also comes with another tool here. This you can use to cleanse the back of your throat. You know, that post-nasal drip that we get sometimes when we're dealing with allergies. This helps you go to the back portion of your throat and clear that out really good. So that's an added bonus that the neti pot does not have. This is what the machine looks like. So you start and that's it. To make it a little more gentle or a little harder. Both of these contraptions are excellent to go inside and clear away all the debris that floats into our nasal passages when we're just out and about in the environment. Tell me, have you ever used a nasal irrigation system or a neti pot? If you have, let me know, what was your experience? After you do the neti pot or the nasal irrigation, be sure to follow up with some type of oil, vitamin E oil, or I like to use the nasal oil from Banyan Botanicals. Place a small amount of that into your nasal passages. Let's do a head count. If you know someone that suffers with seasonal allergies, I need for you to like the video and then share this video with them. For those of you that haven't already joined this wonderful community, but you enjoy these wonderful, easy, practical tips and you want to see more of them, now would be a great time to subscribe. Bonus time. When you do your nasal flush, you can add to it something called neti wash. It is by Himalayan. It has powerful herbs in here. We're talking grapefruit extract, golden seal, barberry. These are really great at reinforcing the overall health of your nasal passages to help lessen and decrease allergens overall. Add this to the flush water when you do it. You will be happy you did. Your nostrils will be happy. You will be able to breathe like... I will see you back here next week with more amazing tips that will empower you to take care of your health, your fitness, and your wellness. Remember, health starts within.